Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Cruze LT. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 30 miles per gallon in the city, and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.